Hey everybody, welcome to Bama Blind. I'm Beverly and today is Wednesday, so we're doing Wednesday's weekly word. Today's word is a verb. The verb is bifurcate, B-I-F-U-R-C-A-T-E, bifurcate. And bifurcate is nothing more than to split into two or to fork. So you can bifurcate a river, where a river is one single river and then it forks into two, so that's bifurcate. The other place that I've actually seen this word, there are a couple of other places. One is in medical terminology, medical reporting, medical jargon, where you might read to bifurcate a nerve bifurcates. Or in the case of dentistry, a back tooth has a root that bifurcates. The front teeth do not. They have one single root, but the back teeth have bifurcated roots. You also will hear it in legal terminology, so that a judge might hear a case that might need to be divided into two separate issues. So the judge would say, I will bifurcate this case. So I will hear the case in two separate entities and then make a ruling on two separate cases. So that case was bifurcated. So I just thought you might be interested in that interesting verb to me. And if you like Wednesday's weekly word, give me the thumbs up, hit that like button, and subscribe to Bama Blind. We are such a smorgasbord of different things. And hit your bell notification, ring the bell so that you get notified when I upload. And if you don't, that's okay. I'm gonna upload Wednesday's weekly word, and it's just pure entertainment. It's cheap, and you don't have to leave home. So hope you've enjoyed today's video, and I will look forward to talking to you next Wednesday and Wednesday's weekly word. Bye everybody.